Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have something truly extraordinary to unbox and review. It's the remote control Hummer limousine car. This remote control Hummer limousine car is the epitome of elegance and ruggedness. Its design captures the iconic features of a Hummer and redefines it with the elongated body of a limousine. Let's now delve into the unboxing and take a closer look at what this incredible machine has to offer. I am really excited to see how this incredible remote control Hummer limousine car works. This remote control limousine Hummer car is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers impressive speed. I have tested this remote control car on various surfaces, including flat and sandy surfaces. I will let you know the best surfaces that you can use to drive this remote control car. Do you know this remote control limousine car comes with a rechargeable battery? A rechargeable battery is cost-effective for long-term use. This 0.5-meter USB charging cable is also included in the box of this remote control car. Let's now start removing the plastic screws from the box, so that we can have a better look at the remote control. The remote control that comes with the Hummer limousine car allows you to navigate its movements with ease. And it has a button to open the car doors. This remote control requires two 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. The remote control car is neatly positioned in the tray. The tray is custom shaped to hold the car securely, preventing any movement or damage during shipping. This ensures that the car arrives in pristine condition, ready to be enjoyed straight out of the box. This remote control car is a fantastic addition to any RC car enthusiast's collection. The remote control Hummer limousine car works well on flat surfaces. Just look at the sleek design, from its dynamic body to its low-profile tires. It's ready to zoom across smooth terrains. You can open or close this car door using the button on the remote control. At the bottom of this remote control car, you can find the battery compartment and the on or off switch. You will need to install the included 3.7 volts rechargeable battery. I think, by now, we are ready to test this incredible remote-controlled car. Are you ready? This remote control limousine car is a stunning miniature replica of a real limousine, complete with intricate details and a sleek design. Alright, it's time to put this remote control Hummer limousine car to the test. I took this remote control car outside to a spacious area where I could witness its power in action. The remote control Hummer limousine car combines the elegance of a limousine with the ruggedness of a Hummer, thus creating a unique and captivating RC experience. Its meticulous design, precise control, and attention to detail make it a standout choice for car enthusiasts.